Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to calculate any number without using calculator app in any Android smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, let me show you. Here you can see I have a calculator app. So here in this video I will not going to use this calculator application to do any addition, subtraction, multiplication or divisions and so and so. So how you can calculate any number without using calculator app. So for this, firstly turn on the internet, and as I'm already using an Android One smartphone, so you can see a Google search bar below. So if you're not seeing a Google search bar, or there is a search bar widget on your Android smartphone, then what you need to do is just tap and hold and just add a widgets. So just scroll down below and search for Google. As you can see here, Google. Just select the widgets and place it. So after that, what you need to do is just tap on this Google search, and here you will see a search. So what you need to do here, say I want to find a addition of 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. So you will see in the top list, you can see 3 plus 5 equal to 8, right? So using this Google search app, you can find out the sum or subtractions, divisions, multiplications, whatever you used to find using your calculator app. So you can use this Google search as your calculator applications. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then try it out today. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.